Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing. I'm Mark. And I'm Mark.
In case you haven't seen our other videos, here's a short recap. Mark, the crew, and I are heading to Croatia to sail the Adriatic. There are plans made, discontinued, adventures had, and of course, lots of sailing done. In today's episode, I will introduce you to our boat, the crew, and we will go over the original plan. Spoiler alert, not everything goes to plan. And with that I mean, most things don't. To the crew. First, we have the M&Ms. Both are sailing for the first time and really don't know what awaits them. The only thing they know is what they were told by the others, and, as you probably know, seamen tend to exaggerate.
Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing. Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing.
Another first-time voyager we have on board is Sun. She's been on sailboats before, but never this long and mostly not on as big ones.
Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing.
The girl with the rose tattoo is an old sea dog. Well, not literally. She's been on 2 previous voyages with us and is our self-appointed chief cook.
Nein, #no.
Blue turned out to be the 2nd lieutenant this year. She, like Rose, has been on these boats before, but she insisted on learning everything about the boat and could get the crew and boat to do almost anything, on her own, by the end of the trip.
Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing.
I myself was appointed 1st lieutenant. I was on all previous voyages as well, and of course I go sailing more often than anyone here. Well, except maybe for the captain.
Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing.
Mark, the captain, has the most experience with boats. He's sailed before any of us and has gone on to much bigger ships even. But that's a story for another day.
Hi, and welcome to Marc One Sailing.
So now you know the crew, but what about the boat? Ima is a Beneteau 43 and has room for 6 people in her cabins. Yes, we were 7 people, so one of us had to sleep on the couch. Ima was built in 2009 and is 43 feet long, or about 13 meters, and has 82 square meters of sail on her. There will be a full boat tour of her soon. So, what was the plan? Well, everything had been planned out perfectly beforehand. The crew were picked, the route was plotted, even the meals were planned for. Now let me tell you that nothing went according to plan for long. The only thing that didn't change was the crew, and we're thankful for that. The plan for the cruise was to night sail right through the first night and reach Croatia, and then leisurely sail back up north, exploring some caves, visiting the old cities on the coast, and just enjoying the sail. But as a sailor, one is always dependent on the wind, at least if you want to sail and not motor all the time. So we didn't get nearly as far as we wanted to on that first day. We anchored for the night and that was it. We would probably not reach the islands on this voyage. There just wasn't enough time now. If you want to know how the voyage turned out, subscribe and ring the little bell in the bottom right. We do get to see the caves after all, and we may even make it to Croatia, even though that would take a lot of sailing now, but you'll have to wait to find out. If you're interested in history and the age of sail, or you want to learn about navigation, we have playlists on both subjects. Check them out.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, like,
Maybe even subscribe.
you can follow us on Twitter,
Facebook.
Instagram, and as always,
Fair winds to you.